Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify landing page performance with Google PageSpeed Insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google PageSpeed Insights website. In the designated field, enter the URL of the landing page you want to analyze. Click on the Analyze button to initiate the performance evaluation. Wait for the tool to process your request. This may take a few moments. Once the analysis is complete, review the Overview section on the Results page. Take note of the performance score, which ranges from 0 to 100. A higher score indicates better performance. Scroll down to examine the detailed metrics provided. Look at the metrics for both mobile and desktop performance. Focus on important indicators such as first contentful paint and time to interactive. These metrics reveal how quickly the page loads and becomes usable. Check the suggestions provided in the Opportunities section. Each suggestion offers insights on how to improve your landing page speed. Pay attention to the Diagnostics section for additional performance insights. This section often provides detailed information on best practices. Consider the impact of third-party scripts on your landing page performance. If applicable, evaluate the loading times for images and other media. Identify any large files that may be causing slow load times. Implement recommended optimizations to improve your page speed. After making changes, reanalyze the landing page using PageSpeed Insights. Compare the new performance score with the previous one to assess improvements. Continue to monitor your landing page performance regularly. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain optimal speed and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.